What happens if the other driver denies fault after a car accident? Their denial does not decide who is legally responsible. It may delay the claim, but fault is usually decided by evidence, not by who argues the loudest. In a North Carolina car accident claim, the insurance company may look at the crash report, photos, vehicle damage, repair estimates, witness statements, video footage, medical records, and what each driver said happened. A police report can help, but it may not tell the whole story, especially if the officer did not see the crash. One important issue is contributory negligence. Under North Carolina law, the other side may argue that you were also careless and that your actions helped cause the crash. If they prove that defense, it can create a serious problem for your injury claim. That is why the evidence should show both what the other driver did wrong and why your own actions were reasonable. If fault is being denied, save every document, write down what you remember, keep original photos and videos, identify witnesses quickly, and be careful with recorded statements to the other driver's insurance company. Some claims are resolved after stronger evidence is provided. Others may require a lawsuit. Also remember that many injury and property damage claims have a 3-year filing deadline, and insurance negotiations do not automatically extend it.